How office work gets done. Now your work reimagined. Meet Skywork Super Agent, the next-gen AI workspace agent, with one click to get all-in-one office solution. Quick peek, here's what Skywork can do. Skywork redefines workspaces with deep research, delivering consulting-grade insights for smarter decisions. Need a polished business report with rich data and visuals? Leave it to Skywork. Pitching Iceland's wonders? Boom, done. No more wrestling with Excel formulas. Data analysis, simplified. Speak your ideas into stunning presentations. No typing required. It's like your AI work buddy. Boundless creativity, ready to tackle anything. Dream big. Build a Renaissance social feed. Reimagined. Let travel-loving cats whisk you away on global adventures. And maybe your next big idea starts right here with Skywork Super Agent. Work smarter, not harder, literally. Try for yourself at Skywork.ai.